how to use credits on CNFans. So here's how you do it. You open up the app here and make sure you are signed into your account. So click on account in the bottom right and make sure you're signed in like I said. Here you will be able to see your credits next to your balance, and here's how we actually redeem the products. Now you want to open up the browser on your phone and search for CNFans. This website right here, if we click on it, currently it's not up because they're undergoing maintenance, but you will see some product IDs and you can choose products from this list. After you choose products, you will go into CNFans, then you will click on redeem products and you will enter the product code right here, which you will have gotten from the CNFans website. Click on redeem now, and if it's a valid product, it will use your credits on CNFans, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.